Hello and welcome to your first look preview of this awesome home. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to schedule a private tour. Welcome to your own private retreat on 16 acres of peaceful country living. This spacious one-level ranch offers an open floor plan designed for comfort and easy living. Enjoy updated lighting and durable laminate flooring throughout, creating a warm and inviting space. The kitchen features a whole house water filtration system with reverse osmosis, giving you pure, fresh water every day. Step outside and explore acres full of wildlife, native plants, and natural beauty, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or those looking for quiet seclusion. There is a spring-fed creek on property which could be expanded for a possible pond. The oversized detached two-car garage provides plenty of storage and workspace, while the property offers endless room for hobbies, gardening, or simply soaking in the views. Stay connected while you work or stream from home with Starlink Internet, which conveys with the property. Located just 30 minutes to Fort Walker and 45 minutes to Dahlgren, this home gives you the best of both worlds, privacy and convenience. Don't miss the chance.